People really get fascinated, definitely walk away with new skills here. Everyone really enjoys it. It's really fun. Hi, I'm Samantha. Atelier Sucré has been here for about 16 years now. Simon started out working in multiple restaurants, and then eventually he decided he wanted to teach classes. When I was about 7 years old, my mom used to make these little, I want to say they were almost like zeppelis, but I do know it was a Chilean dessert. That's where my interest in baking started. I ended up applying to the French Culinary Institute. So I graduated when I was 18 years old. A week later, I was in culinary school again, so I got into the pastry arts. I've worked in a lot of different places. When I first started out, I was doing cake pops at a small little bakery, and I've been in restaurants, I've been in bakeries, I've been in catering companies, and then I was a sous chef at a bakery in the East Village, and I ended up here teaching classes at Atelier Sucré. It was a really big different route for me, but it was something that really sparked my interest in teaching people how to bake. A lot of people don't really know the fundamentals of baking. There are some people who come here who really want to do this, like as a living. I had like people who say, oh my God, like I really love doing this. I just don't really know where to start. You made it seem like it's super easy. I would really love to like get started. What's your advice for me? People definitely walk away with new skills here. People learn how to use a knife for the first time when they're here. I feel like it's just important to know, even if it's just basic cooking skills, it's kind of like your survival skill. So I just always feel like that's like the number one survival skill you should have, is learning how to hold a knife, how to boil some water, even boil an egg. So today what we did was French tarts. So we teach them how to make the tart shell from scratch. And then we teach them why it's necessary for the dough to rest before they start cutting. We teach them how to line the shells, making sure that they don't have any gaps. This way, if they want to do it at home, they know exactly what they're doing to replicate it. They also learn how to make pastry cream and why it's necessary to cool it. And then we also learned how to make some madeleines, which is something that they can do at home very easily. And then at the end of class, they folded in their pastry cream with some whipped cream and decorated some tarts that they were able to take home.
Pretty much sky is the limit. I want people to want to stand out instead of fit in. Anything that you can think of, we can do.